how to make Snapchat camera full screen. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to make Snapchat camera full screen. So first is you have to go to your Play Store and just type in Snapchat and check if it's updated. Now if you'll see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. Now if it's updated just like this, you can now go to the application. Now, let me just put it out there that if your Snapchat is not in full screen, then there is a high possibility that your Snapchat application is with bug. So that means you could actually go to settings and just clear cache the Snapchat application, or you could actually just log out to the application and then just log in again, or you can go to the Play Store and then check if there's an update available, because basically it will then treat the bug. So that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials, and thank you for watching.